I think this year's Endometriosis Learning Pathway has been a great success. First phase was digital training and learning, and we had 22 lectures by 22 outstanding faculty from all over Europe. We had also terrific hands-on training on the Deep Endometriosis modules, but also having received training on robotic-assisted surgery and laparoscopic surgery.
These last 2 days was a unique opportunity for the participants to get the excellence in education and training in minimal invasive surgery. It was a very practical, hands-on course in robotics, in laparoscopy, using the new energy surgical devices. We had also the possibility to use the best anatomical models, the cadaver models, in order to make this endometriosis learning pathway very productive.
I have been very impressed in the whole organization. Currently, we are running 14 stations with hands-on cadaveric courses, and it has been excellent experience both for the delegates and faculty alike.
We have had some excellent webinars, and today's, I think, is just the top of it. We have so far had experienced very nice dissection of the nerves in the pelvis, and I have really enjoyed it.
Thank you for the experience with the hands-on cadaver lab, because it's very interesting and beautiful to meet a lot of colleagues from Europe who compare our experience.
So we've been able to see the pelvic anatomy really well. I've been helping mostly with the dissection of the nerves of the pelvis. We've been able to very clearly see and dissect the nerves, which is extremely important, particularly for surgeons who want to do advanced endometriosis surgery.
It's been such a life-changing course for me, and we are putting in practice all that we have learned and we have seen the faculty doing during the webinars, and it's been great.
It's a very extensive, interesting, motivating pathway that really helped me to gain more knowledge on the disease, but especially the diagnosis and the treatment. I'm learning so much about the retroperitoneal anatomy, how to dissect it, and especially how to remove and resect nodules in very difficult places.
And I would like to thank everyone who participated in this, our consulting colleagues, our mentors, our patients who dedicated their bodies for us to train on them, and last but not least, Medtronic, for all the support that they have offered to the development of this pathway and for the accomplishment of this outstanding training. Thank you very much.